How are you?
I'm fantastic. Thanks. So, what about you?
Mic দিয়ে কথা কয় also good.
Good?
কথা বলবে
All right. Okay. So, what are you eating now?
হুম
What are you having now?
chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate.
Okay. Do you like chocolate or fuska?
Chocolate fuska दोनों है मैंने आप भी बोला sorry. You're from Bangladesh? No.
No, I'm from Pakistan.
Where are you from? Okay, you know Hindi?
Yeah, a little bit. You can speak in English.
Are you singer?
Absolutely not. I'm not a singer.
Not a singer. तुम्हारा आवाज ऐसे क्यों आया?
Okay, I don't know. I
Mic
don't
से.
know. So, are you a singer? Do you sing?
No.
Okay. So,
হোস্টিং করতে পারবো কেন? বুঝি নাই শুধু হোস্টিংই করতেছি.
all right. So where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay, that's good. So, what part of Bangladesh do you live in?
You know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know Bangladesh.
কইলে কি চিনবো? এইটাছে বলদের মতো. বুঝি নাই.
Actually, I am an English content creator. So, I usually here for record video. Perhaps I'm, also recording the video. Can I upload it?
Yeah, of course.
Ah,
কেন না?
okay. That's really great. All right. So, I have heard that you speak English. So, how did you learn it?
আমি এত ইংলিশ পারি না. তাহলে পড়াশোনাই করতাম.
এখন কি জব করা হয়?
পড়াশোনা বাদ দিয়ে দিয়েছি. এই যে জব করতেছি কথা বলতেছি মানুষের লোক বয়া বয়া.
Is this your job?
It's a great job.
All right. Okay. So, it was nice to meet you.